namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel and of course that kid like cover front cover yo sungoma is the post yeah 2025 yeah so kazi of course rati 27 ta September no hlamala ku nghena notifications tinga heli lo sene nghena ka Facebook ni fika ni kuma ku ya ayisuka kusuka sungoma is the post ifike yi posta cover ya yona and stuff like that so if you want to verify it's like 1 October you go hot even the it's like my 2K so I get very all of you flow shona yeah also go miss the post you nigga I'm not going to lie it's very fun and thinking go for the first go when figure it looks like a video show professional and thinking no go nigga no tunzuka man kuna ha ku nigga ro karhi nkarhi tunzuka I man kasi no very the notorious BIG nhlekete va lava yalo ku vona ku sungo Mr Post la I beta nigga no go on shonda inspiration I kai humela kwa la and stuff like that vete nhleketa BIG to be honest lo vona ku sungo Mr Post nhlekete ku na munhu wo karhi man so shona ku na resemblance yo karhi la and stuff like that so loko fika itsala hi hla vele ka cover shona ku tsala ku the post yeah the day this manjini anise va above 40 and then I wrote my 2K as you can see so it's unclear ku track ya kona vele ya bla ngopfu yini without a clip yi nga va divided it's either ku va ku ri a beef or ku ri a normal track talking about my 2K beef ni vula ku maybe kai beef hala ka beni ma ngani ku va ngo va sin my 2K I'm just saying my twisa yi nga va divided this track and loko nga humi clip swi nga hi hlupha yana ku yi analyze so cover yaleyo mal very munhu wo hemba ku ri ntiyiso can also for now it's one note in terms of the cover so ngomisa the post winning ka cover hi sasekini swinene it's very beautiful he sasiki compared to the Ben Mayenga na yasa kan ku antshintsha so unfortunately swi komna ku angazanga antshintsha so ka cover I boy Mr Post there's a better front cover that's it wona makaliwa and the mbere na duku ra mranga phanda ile na duku ile la dena ai the jerry ni man and the reason kan zuma na shona ku even the little details the na peak ona la xa xidloko la if I'm saying na post even if I email post bad I chicken go vona ku xitisa leswi dloko leswi or you customize usungo something like such xikandhe na ku swin'wana ku xidloko leswi exista na swi komba swi exista ne mina u shayela na xixwa mo ku swi nga hi hlupha yana I cannot really verify swi komba na ku xidloko swa ti P swa exista ne loko ni kha ni cheka la so probably maybe yi nga va yo xava to be exact xi nga yo tsarisiwa and stuff like that yeah it does happen it does happen okay very xikipa swona na ku it's original xa Adidas original Adidas yeah masho ya original Adidas as you can see le na le xitsalo ku 25 swa fana as you can see le xwala le xikipela xa wasungo Mr Post it does exist koko lenga ku to refresh kahle but ya maswona leswi le ka Adidas and vula ndi swo chance and stuff like that so hileswo guys yeah mi nga nyika mavonelo ya n'wina mara loko yi bihi ni cover kwala ni ta ku ri jealous mi nga nyika mavonelo ya n'wina I think in terms of narration ya track hi ku hleketela ka n'wina mi twina ku yi nga yi ri hala ka beef as sweswi a ni nga swi explain or mi twini na ku maybe yi nga va hala ku in general speaking about ma 2K tanihileswi mi swi tiva ku na swo tala ngopfu ka ma 2K swi nga vulavuriwaka or mahanyelo ya vona like swi tele swi nga va kona and stuff like that va nga very big smoke wa ka team ku na big smoke ne big smoke lo ka wa ka na GTA i BIG i notorious BIG big smoke lo ka the cartoon wa the Popeye I don't think Mr Post munhu wo tanga swa the game ne ta inspire hi munhu wa real and stuff like that what exist munhu big smoke real art mi boela okay hileswo loko ri amukeza subscribe ni ta kombela mi klika subscribe
say so them fierce. You bomber clat. Play the bomber clat team, man. Yokona afika, abakunda kuthika, abakunda kuuza neheta nekudisa, abateketsela abakphila nakuphutisa, bona kana mutha xingwavila nakubadisa, baby man akubyela laka wena akufela, hlambanya xikwembu kuna sathana nga ta nghena, famba mi ya va byela swa kumena yena, lexi nga ta hambanyisa ko va rifu ntsena, that's what I do, mama, I do, I do. I do. That's how they go. I do, mama. I do. I do. Cause man, that's how they go. I do, mama. I do. I do.